Fishing has always been a favorite pastime for many, but with the introduction of new gadgets, the experience is getting better like never before. This list has everything to make your next fishing trip easier, faster, and a whole lot more fun. All the mentioned gadgets links are in the description below. Number 30, Kanama Smart Fishing Light. This compact fishing light is perfect for attracting fish in dark or deep waters. It uses bright LEDs to create an underwater glow that grabs the attention of nearby fish. Simple to attach to your fishing line or float, it works well in lakes, rivers, or out at sea. The design is waterproof and tough enough for long fishing sessions. It runs on a basic battery and doesn't take up much space in your gear. If you're out at night, ice fishing, or dropping a line deep, this handy light can help boost your chances of getting more bites. Number 29, Robotic Fishing Lure. This advanced fishing lure is designed to move like a real fish, using built-in robotic action to swim through the water. With realistic 3D eyes and detailed coloring, it attracts predators by mimicking natural fish movement. It charges quickly and starts swimming once it touches water, making it easy to use for both beginners and pros. Ideal for freshwater fishing, it works great for catching bass, trout, and other game fish. The built-in motor creates lifelike motion, drawing fish from a distance. Durable and reusable, this smart bait adds a fun, high-tech twist to your fishing experience. Number 28, GPS RC Bait Boat. Remote-controlled bait boat is built to deliver your bait with precision. With a range of up to 500 meters, it lets you send bait to hard-to-reach spots without casting. It features GPS for accurate navigation and can store specific drop points to return automatically. The boat is stable, even in rough waters, and carries a decent amount of bait in its built-in compartment. Easy to control with a handheld remote, it's perfect for lakes, ponds, and calm rivers. Designed for quiet operation, it won't scare fish away. Great for carp fishing or anyone who wants to fish smarter, not harder. Number 27, Lockable Handy Fishing Pliers. These durable fishing pliers are built for strength, precision, and convenience. Made from lightweight aluminum with a corrosion-resistant coating, they perform well in both freshwater and saltwater conditions. The sharp tungsten carbide cutters easily slice through braided, mono, or fluorocarbon lines. Designed with a comfortable grip and spring-loaded handle, they reduce hand fatigue during long fishing sessions. The lockable feature keeps the pliers safely closed when not in use, making them easy to carry or store. Equipped with split ring tips, crimping notches, and a secure lanyard, this tool is perfect for quick hook changes, rigging, and all-around fishing tasks. Number 26, Belt Clip Rod Holder. Handy clip-on accessory attaches to your belt or waistband and securely holds your fishing rod, keeping your hands free for other tasks. Made from sturdy, corrosion-resistant material, it stays reliable even in salty or wet conditions. The clip is spring-loaded to grip firmly yet release smoothly when needed. Its compact design won't weigh you down, and frequent casting won't knock it loose. Perfect for moving around, wading, or managing multiple lines, it saves effort and reduces fatigue. If you're shore fishing, kayak angling, or taking a break, this tool keeps your rod within easy reach and lets you stay ready. Number 25, Smart Bait Mini. The compact smart bait is designed to mimic the look and movement of real prey, helping you attract more fish with less effort. It lights up underwater, flashes in a lifelike pattern, and creates gentle vibrations to catch the attention of nearby fish. Small but powerful, it's easy to attach to your line and works in both freshwater and saltwater. Built with durable materials, it's reusable and can handle multiple fishing trips. Perfect for night fishing or murky waters, this bait is ideal for catching a variety of species. It's a clever upgrade for any angler's tackle box. Number 24, Fishing Multitool. This handy fishing tool allows you to fish with ease without carrying around a heavy, cluttered tackle box. This fishing multi-tool lets you focus on what you love, fishing, rather than spending all your time searching for different tools. This fishing tool includes a hook remover, scale scraper, tape measure, bait cutter, flashlight, knife, and many more other loots which you can try by yourself. This handy tool comes with a foldable design and is a good choice for your next fishing outing. Number 23, CamX Fishing Finders. The smart little fishing gadget lets you see exactly what's going on underwater while you fish. Shaped like a real bait fish, it has a built-in HD camera that shows live video right on your phone. It works great even in dark or cloudy water thanks to its wide-angle lens and built-in lights. The camera stays steady in the water, so you get clear footage even when there's a bit of current. It can go pretty deep and starts recording when it senses movement. With a solid battery and built-in memory, it's a fun way to spot fish and improve your catch. Number 22, Fishing Accessories Kit. This fishing kit packs everything you need into one handy box. With hundreds of pieces like hooks, sinkers, swivels, beads, and soft lures, it's perfect for all kinds of fishing, freshwater or saltwater. The gear comes in different sizes, so you can easily switch things up depending on what you're trying to catch. It also includes bobbers for better bite visibility and leaders for stronger rigs. Everything stays neat and organized in a sturdy tackle box. If you're just getting started or already love fishing, this kit makes it super easy to be ready for anything on the water. Number 21, R-Series Kayaks. This sit-on-top kayak in the R-Series is pedal-powered, letting you move with your legs and freeing your hands for casting. Its rotomolded hull is stable and durable, and the GlideTech prop fins kick up when you hit obstacles, so shallow waters or debris won't slow you. It's comfortable too, featuring a breathable mesh seat and room to stretch, plus non-slip standing pads. The boat includes a steering rudder, dual rod holders, accessory tracks, and waterproof storage for your gear. It's stackable for easy transport and comes paddle ready, perfect for long fishing trips on lakes, rivers, or saltwater. Number 20, Travel Fishing Rod. This compact fishing rod breaks down into multiple short sections, fitting easily in your backpack or carry-on. When assembled, it behaves like a full-size stick, casting far, feeling solid, and fighting fish with confidence. Made from lightweight carbon or graphite, it packs serious power and sensitivity, and the snug-fit ferrules keep it rigid. Some versions even include interchangeable tips for targeting bass, trout, or panfish. With comfortable handles, corrosion-resistant guides, and portable cases, it's perfect for travel, ready for every surprise fishing spot you encounter. Number 19, Digital Fish Scale. This handy digital scale makes it easy to weigh your catch on the spot. Just hook the fish, lift, and get an instant weight reading on the clear LCD screen. It's small enough to toss in your tackle box or pocket, but strong enough to handle big fish. The grip is comfortable, and some versions even come with a built-in tape measure to check the length too. If you're tracking your personal best or just curious, this tool gives quick, accurate results. It's battery-powered, super easy to use, and perfect for fishing trips, travel, or outdoor adventures. Number 18, Fishing Rack and Carrier. This handy rack makes it super easy to carry and store up to 4 fishing rods without the mess. It's lightweight and easy to grab with one hand, and even pops out into a stand so your rods stay upright and untangled while you get ready. You can set it up just about anywhere on the wall, in your truck, or even on a boat with the included brackets. It works with most rod types, like spinning, bait casting, fly, and ice rods. It's sturdy, simple to use, and a great way to keep your gear organized and ready to go for your next trip. Number 17, Fishing Bite Alarm. This small gadget clips onto your rod and alerts you when a fish bites with both light and sound signals. You can easily adjust the beep volume so you won't miss a bite if you're in a quiet spot or a noisy one. Powered by a simple battery, it's lightweight and attaches in seconds. The LED lights also flash when the line moves, so you don't even need to hear it to notice a bite. With adjustable sensitivity, you can fine-tune it for big fish or light bites. It's perfect for hands-free fishing, letting you relax and stay ready without constantly watching your line. Number 16, Rod Holder and Storage Organizer. This handy organizer is made just for small boats, giving you secure rod holders and smart storage in one unit. It mounts easily to your side or console, keeping your fishing rods upright, tangle-free, and ready to grab. Alongside the rod slots, it has compartments and trays for lures, bait, tools, and accessories. Everything stays organized and close at hand. The whole thing is built tough to handle sun, splash, and bumps without rusting or wearing down. It's simple to install, low profile so it doesn't take up space, and perfect for keeping your gear neat while you're out on the water. Number 15. Piscifun Speed X. This compact tool makes spooling your fishing reel super easy and mess-free. It holds your line spool steady and fits most reel types spinning, bait casting, even spin cast. The smooth, quiet operation keeps things running without any tangles or noise. If you accidentally put on too much line, you can simply rewind it back, no hassle. It has a solid handle that feels good in your hand and adjusts to your grip. Built tough but still lightweight, it's perfect for quick line changes at home or out by the water. It's a real time saver that keeps your gear ready to go. Number 14. Smart Fishing Chair. This chair is a great pick if you like fishing in comfort. It's strong, comfy, and has breathable fabric to keep you cool. The legs adjust to stay steady on uneven ground, and the seat can spin all the way around so you can check your lines without getting up. One of the best parts, there's a cooler right under the seat to keep your drinks and snacks cold, and it has a quick access top so you don't let the cold out. It also comes with a built-in rod holder and gear pockets, making it perfect for long days by the water. Number 13. Speargun Explorer. It is a great gadget for underwater hunting and built to last. It has a tough aluminum barrel and a strong stainless steel shaft that holds up well in the water. The rubber bands sit just right, helping your shot stay straight and on target. It's quick to load and easy to handle thanks to a comfy grip and smooth trigger system. There's even a float chamber to help it stay buoyant when the spear's out. If you're right or left-handed, it works for both. It's a reliable pick if you're into serious spearfishing and want something that performs well. Number 12. Eskimo Pistol Bit. This lightweight ice auger bit works with most high-torque drills and makes punching through ice fast and easy. Just attach it to your drill, and the sharp blades cut smooth, clean holes in seconds. It's super light, only about 3 to 4 pounds, so it's easy to carry around even if you're moving a lot. The centering guide helps keep your holes straight and stops the bit from slipping or falling through. Made from a strong mix of aluminum and composite materials, it's tough but easy to handle. Great for quick setups without the bulk of a full auger system. Number 11. SCUTE. This is a unique rod case that revolutionized the market as the first to open in 3 sections. The inventor, an Australian angler, grew frustrated with his fishing rods breaking during travel, so he decided to turn his idea into reality. After a decade of hard work, the results are undeniable. This compact case can hold 6 to 10 fishing rods and is perfect for airplane travel. It even holds a patent proving its success. It is available in 4 different lengths, ranging from 1.8 to 3 meters. It comes with various straps for easy transport. The durability is so impressive that even one of the prototypes is still holding up strong. Number 10. SwellPro FD1 Fishing Drone. This waterproof drone is built for fishing and makes dropping bait super easy. It can fly your line out over a kilometer, letting you reach spots you'd never hit with a normal cast. It carries heavy bait with no problem, floats if it hits the water, and even comes back on its own if the signal drops or the battery runs low. With built-in GPS and stable flight, it stays steady even in windy weather. There's a cruise mode for smooth flying, and it's tough enough to handle salt water. A great pick for anyone wanting to try drone fishing. Number 9. Folding Fishing Rod Case. This foldable rod case is a lifesaver for traveling anglers. It breaks down to a compact size that fits easily in your car, storage area, or overhead bin. When you're ready to fish, it expands to hold multiple rods and reels securely, keeping them organized and tangle-free. The padded shell protects against bumps, and strong zippers and straps make it tough enough for trips. It even has exterior pockets for tackle, tools, or documents. With a comfy carry handle and adjustable shoulder strap, it's easy to haul around the dock, airport, or campground. Perfect for keeping your gear safe and ready wherever you go. Number 8. MarCum Flasher System. This ice fishing gadget gives you a super clear look at what's happening under the ice. It shows your lure, the fish, and the bottom in bright colors, and it's easy to tell everything apart even when things are really close together. There's a zoom feature that lets you focus on fish near the bottom while still seeing the full screen. It works great even if others nearby are using similar gear, thanks to its strong interference control. It's simple to use, tough, and runs on a 12-volt battery. Great for anyone who wants reliable sonar without all the extra hassle. Number 7. Telescopic Fishing Rod. This handy rod and reel set is perfect if you like fishing on the go. It folds down small enough to fit in a backpack or car, but opens up into a strong, full-size rod. Made from carbon fiber and fiberglass, it's light to carry, but tough enough for catching all kinds of fish, freshwater or even some saltwater. The guides help your line glide out smoothly, and the handle feels nice in your hand. The reel runs super smooth with its multiple bearings and works for both lefties and righties. It's a solid pick for quick trips or travel fishing. Number 6. Rodless Fishing Reel. This tiny fishing reel is great for anyone who wants to keep things simple. It fits right in your pocket and doesn't need a rod. Just tie it on your line, toss it out by hand, and reel it in with the little fold-out handle. It's small but surprisingly strong and can handle medium-sized fish without a problem. Made from tough metal, it's light enough to carry anywhere. The reel turns smoothly and is super easy to use. Perfect for hiking, camping, or anytime you want to fish without carrying a bunch of gear. Just grab it and go. Number 5. Fishing Tool Kit. This 6-piece fishing tool kit has all the basics you need in one handy set. It comes with strong pliers, a super sharp fillet knife, braid scissors, a floating lip gripper, and a retractable clip. Everything packed up nice and neat. The knife and scissors cut clean right out of the box, and the pliers hold up great even in salty water. Each tool feels solid and easy to grip, and the lanyard helps keep things from getting lost. It's a great all-in-one set for anyone who wants to be prepared without spending a ton. Ideal for beginners or as a backup kit. Number 4. Fishing Slingshot Kit. This cool fishing kit uses a slingshot design to launch your bait way out into the water. It's got a strong frame with stretchy bands and a wrist support so your shots are smooth and go far. It even comes with a reel and special fishing darts that let you pull your catch in without needing a rod. Some versions come with sights or a little light to help you aim in low light. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and fun to use. Perfect for anyone who wants to try something a little different while fishing. Number 3. Fishing Tackle Backpack. This backpack is made for folks who love to fish and be on the move. It's super roomy with lots of pockets to keep your stuff organized. Tackle boxes, tools, water bottles, and even your rods thanks to the built-in holders on the sides. The material is waterproof and tough, so your gear stays dry and protected. The padded back and comfy straps make it easy to carry around even on long days. It's great for fishing trips on foot, by kayak, or anywhere else you need a solid bag to hold everything in one place. Number 2. iBobber Wireless Fish Finder. This small castable gadget helps you spot fish using your phone. It connects through Bluetooth and floats on the water, showing you where fish are hiding, how deep the water is, and what the bottom looks like up to about 135 feet down. It's got a bright light for night fishing and even sends alerts when fish are nearby. You can save your favorite fishing spots, check water temps, and see the weather and moon phases right in the app. It's super easy to carry and fun to use. Great for casual fishing without hauling around a bunch of heavy gear. Number 1. Helix G3 Fish Finder. This cool little fish finder is perfect for ice fishing and works just as well on open water. It gives super clear views of fish, bait, and underwater structure even when things are really close together. The 5-inch color screen is easy to see even in bright light, and you can zoom in to spot exactly what you need. It also has built-in GPS and lake maps, so you can mark your favorite spots and come back later. It even charges glow lures. Everything comes packed in a portable case, making it super handy for both ice and boat fishing trips. And that's a wrap up on this video. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments. If you want to buy any of this gadget so you can check the product links which are in the description below, thank you for watching.